Step into the 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Mercedes-Benz infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, power front seats, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and seat memory. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.